Hey Maxmoto fam, thanks for tuning in. This is Maxmoto, and today we're gonna be taking a closer look at a exhaust system upgrade that I've got going on. We're gonna be looking at the Bassani Down Under True Dual Headers. I've got the D&T Megaphone slip-ons in place. For air and fuel, we've got the Vance & Hines VO2 naked setup. That's the air intake setup that allows you to use your stock intake cover. And then the FP3, the Fuel Pack 3 fuel tuning kit. Let's take a look. Alright, so to recap the Bassani setup, True Duals, DNTs, when I was doing all the research, looking at different exhausts, looking at what I wanted to get, At first I thought, okay, I'm gonna focus on just getting slip-ons, and that landed me with 3 basic selections. I was looking at the Bassani DNTs, I was looking at the MagnaFlow Hitman exhaust, I was also looking at the Paul Yaffe Holy Moly tip Paul Yaffe slip-ons as well. As I was evaluating the 3, I kind of felt like the DNTs were actually the quietest of all 3. And when I made the decision to go with a full system, so headers, intake, I decided that if I was going to go Bassani, what I thought to be the quieter of the 3 options, I would go ahead and go full-on headers so that I was getting the most out of them. If you're thinking about looking at the Bassani system, headers, DNT slip-ons, you need to know this: they are not quiet. System is loud. Like, I've been rolling around on a stock bike for almost 4 months, 5 months now, and I've gotten really accustomed to it. I know it's quiet, but I was not prepared for how loud this setup is. It's got a real nice, deep kind of rumble that you can feel in your chest. I'm really hoping that the audio that I'm getting with my Zoom setup is picking that up. But have no fear if you're looking for a system that barks. I mean, it's got some serious bark to it. If I'm looking at cons of the system, well, there's one primary. The down under True Dual exhaust, it look really awesome. I love the way the pipes, you know, separate. It's got a really cool look to it, but it does pretty much completely cover up your side clutch cover. So if you're looking at, if you have a stock bike and you're thinking, okay, I'm gonna do bars, I'm gonna do exhaust, if you're doing bars and if you're having to change out cables and mess with that, definitely gonna want to do that before you get these headers, because right now if I wanted to dig around in that compartment, I would have to remove my headers to get to it. So I'm all set. My factory 47 14-inch bars are great. I'm not getting in there anytime soon. I love the system. I love the Bassanis. I hope my neighbors do. In getting this video put together, I'm out here, I'm ripping on it, I'm, you know, cranking it up for you guys. Definitely not something I would do every day because, yeah, they are loud. That's gonna do it for today. Thanks again for tuning in. If you want to see more content like this, join me on the adventure. Make sure you like this video, click that subscribe button, hit me up in the comments section, stay in touch.